PCOS is most common endocrine disorder in women of reproductive age, and it is most common in obese females.
What are the causes of PCOS? Exact cause of PCOS is not known. It is believed that excessive production of androgens, which lead to altered hormonal levels and anovulation, is responsible for the clinical features and complications in PCOS. Several factors such as genes, insulin resistance, and inflammation have been linked to excessive production of androgens. As the name suggests, multiple cysts are present in the periphery of ovary, but presence of these cysts is not necessary for diagnosing PCOS. Let's know about complaints with which a patient may present in OPD. Patient may present with missed or irregular periods, or she may experience periods with heavy bleeding, or she may also present with acne or weight gain. She may also present with male pattern hair growth on face, chest or back, which is also known as hirsutism. Or she may present with dark patches of skin on nape of neck or axillary area, which is also known as acanthosis nigricans. Syndromes associated with PCOS. First is Heron syndrome, which is described by three characteristic features that include hyperandrogenism, insulin resistance, and acanthosis nigricans. Second is metabolic syndrome, which is a cluster of risk factors that increases the chances of developing heart diseases, stroke, and diabetes. Any three of the 5 criteria shown on the screen should be present in metabolic syndrome. Now we will talk about complications of PCOS. It has been divided into 2 categories: short-term complications and long-term complications. Short-term complications are usually those which are easily treatable. It includes infertility, hirsutism, and irregular cycles. Long-term complications include heart diseases, endometrial carcinoma, sleep apnea syndrome, metabolic syndrome, depression, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. How PCOS is diagnosed? Rotterdam criteria is used to diagnose PCOS. In this criteria, any 2 of the 3 should be present. Hyperandrogenism, which is clinically manifested as hirsutism and biochemically as increased androgen levels. Ovulatory dysfunction, which is manifested as absent periods or irregular cycles or heavy bleeding. USG evidence in one or both ovary.